Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is V. Swarnalakshmi. I am an intern at Intellify. I am a student of first year Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department from Savita School of Engineering, Chennai. So today we are going to study a little in detail about acids and bases. Yes, we are going to move one step ahead in the chapter of acids, bases and salts. Today we are going to study about natural indicators around us. Before understanding natural indicators around us, I would like to ask you, do you know anything about natural indicators? Don't worry. Just a minute, you will come to know everything about it. So, come on, let's go on a roller coaster ride. Natural indicator. What is a natural indicator? Natural means something which is given to earth by our mother earth. Means जो भी हमारे पास natural है वो क्या होता है? Natural. नहीं समझे? एग्जाम्पल के साथ बताती हूँ. टर्मरिक, अनियन, जो भी चीज़ उगाई जाती है, जो भी चीज़ पहले से हमारे आने के पहले से यहाँ पे मौजूद है, जो मिनरल्स हमारे धरती में पाए जाते हैं वो क्या है? वो सब नेचुरल है. इंडिकेटर का मतलब क्या होता है? एक गाड़ी का एग्जाम्पल लीजिए. ये समझिए कि उसके जो लाइटिंग्स होती है, उसके जो इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं वो हमें क्या बताते हैं? वो हमें ये बताते हैं कि ड्राइवर को लेफ्ट जाना है या राइट जाना है. So, a natural indicator is a substance which helps us in distinguishing between an acid and a base. This is the basic definition of a natural indicator. There are many types of natural indicators. Before going into detail about natural indicators, I would like to give you some extra knowledge and a little bit of in-depth one about the natural indicators. So, what are the examples of natural indicators that are known to us? These are red cabbage, turmeric, grape juice, turnip skin, curry powder, cherries, beetroots, onions, tomatoes, etc. Now it's the time for the hashtag Do You Know Fact. The hashtag Do You Know Fact for today is there are indicators which tell us whether there is change in color or there is change in odor. Odor means smell. The changes which tell about smell are generally called as olfactory indicators. Examples of such indicators are onions, vanilla extract, clove oil, etc. Confused? What is clove oil? Clove का मतलब होता है लवंग. Lavang is a herb. It's a medicinal herb. Let's move on. So, now we have entered into a little bit detail about natural indicators. There are many indicators which we use in our laboratory in order to test whether a given solution is acidic or basic in nature. But the hashtag most favorite one of everyone is the litmus paper. So, what is litmus? Litmus is a natural dye. What is dye? Dye is a liquid which is used in our clothes for coloring our clothes. Till now not understood what is litmus? I would like to explain. Litmus is extracted from lichen. What is lichen? Lichen is, you can call, when you see on wood barks, you would find some unwanted growth on the on the bark of the tree. That unwanted growth is nothing but lichen. So, the hashtag Do You Know Fact over here is litmus is extracted from lichen. So, what does that mean? Litmus is a natural dye. It means if we generally use two types of litmus paper, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So, the natural color of any litmus paper in distilled water is purple in color. If we take a blue litmus paper and dip it into any acidic solution, अगर हम कोई भी ब्लू लिटमस पेपर ले और उसे किसी भी एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डालें तो उसका रंग, लिटमस पेपर का रंग रेड हो जाएगा. इसका उल्टा होगा बेस में। अगर हम किसी बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में रेड लिटमस पेपर डालें तो वो रेड लिटमस पेपर का कलर कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा ब्लू में। समझ गए? If the solution is acidic, blue litmus paper turns red. If the solution is basic, red litmus paper turns blue. Easy, good to go. Move ahead. Now it's the hashtag activity time. Dan da dan. What you have to do, you have to collect some of the materials from your home. These are tap water, detergent solution, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means Coca-Cola, Sprite, in which there is concentration of carbon dioxide of sort. Soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water, etc. अब हमें करना क्या है? ठीक है, हमने इन सबको एक जगह पे कलेक्ट कर लिया, इकट्ठा कर लिया। अब हमें करना क्या है कि हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सोल्यूशन हर एक से लेना है, एक पेट्री डिश में रखना है, उसमें हमें लिटमस पेपर, पहले ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को डाल के टेस्ट करिए, फिर रेड लिटमस पेपर को डाल के टेस्ट करिए और देखिए कि क्या वो सोल्यूशन एसिडिक है या बेसिक है। ईजी। अब आता है सवाल, व्हाट डिड यू ऑब्जर्व? What did you observe? What did you notice? So here is what you noticed. You observed that some of the liquids turned red litmus into blue, while some turned blue litmus into red. Wait a minute. Not only these two transitions you observed, you also observed that even some liquids did not show any change when reacted both with blue litmus paper as well as red litmus paper. So, substances like aerated drinks, shampoo solution, vinegars turned blue litmus paper into red, whereas substances like soap solution, baking soda solution, lime water, milk of magnesia turned red litmus blue. What is the inference that we drew from this? It is that acids turn blue litmus red. Acids turn blue litmus red, whereas bases turn red litmus blue. Easy to remember. I'll give you a trick. Base का starting word है B, तो वो क्या करेगा? ब्लू कलर ही शो करेगा। तो ब्लू में कन्वर्ट होगा नहीं, रेड ब्लू में कन्वर्ट होगा। तो क्या हुआ? बेसिस टर्न रेड लिटमस ब्लू। इजी टू रिमेंबर। ये एसिड का क्या हो जाएगा? उसका उल्टा। बेस क्या करता है? रेड लिटमस ब्लू करता है, तो एसिड क्या करेगा? ब्लू लिटमस रेड करेगा। समझ गए? होप यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल दिस पॉइंट. नाउ लेट्स मूव मोर अहेड. The next topic of this particular topic is the second mostly used reagent or the second mostly used indicator, that is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is generally very commonly used in our Indian homes. So how can it be used as an indicator? Here's an activity. First, you hashtag try it out. You will surely find out what am I trying to say. What you have to do over here is, आपको एक कार्ड बनाना है मम्मी के लिए, भाई के लिए, जैसे का भी बर्थडे आ रहा हो, पापा के लिए, उनके लिए कार्ड बनाना है. कार्ड बनाना कैसे है? एक पेज लीजिए, उसको अच्छे से टर्मरिक पेस्ट से आगे पीछे साइड से उसका अच्छे से पेंट कर दीजिए या उसको जो है फैला दीजिए, अप्लाई कर लीजिए. अब उसको ड्राई होने दीजिए. अब एक सोप का सोल्यूशन लीजिए, टूथपिक की मदद से उसके ऊपर अच्छी वाली डिज़ाइंस बना लीजिए. अब आप क्या नोटिस करेंगे? आपने जो भी टूथपिक से ये डिज़ाइंस बनाई है ना उस टर्मरिक के पेपर पे, वो आपको ब्राउन कलर के शेड में दिखने लगेगी. ओह, hashtag magic. Chemistry is a magical world after all. So, what is the inference that you can take from here is that turmeric powder, when it reacts with bases, bases means basic solution. Soap solution is a basic solution. It turns brown in color. एक और मिल गया हिंट. एसिड्स के साथ तो टर्मरिक रिएक्ट ही नहीं करता है. रिएक्ट किसके साथ करता है? बेसिस के साथ. So we have got hashtag second one out. The first one was litmus paper. Second one is turmeric. Third one, China rose indicator. China rose means गुड़हल का फूल. दिखने में बहुत खूबसूरत होता है. वो एक इंडिकेटर है असल में. इंडिकेटर कैसे? सबसे पहले जानते हैं हमें इसे बनाना कैसे पड़ता है। गुड़हल के फूल की पंखुड़ियाँ लीजिए और उसको गर्म पानी में उसको डाल के रख दीजिए। गर्म पानी होना चाहिए। जो सोल्यूशन आपको मिलेगा वो हो गया आपका चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर सोल्यूशन। इजी टू मेक, वेरी इजी टू मेक, एंड ऑफ डैम यूजफुल थिंग. So what happens over here is, when you use this China rose indicator in order to distinguish between acid and base, there is a magic happening over here. When you mix China rose indicator with acids, the color of the acid solution turns dark pink in color. Whereas when you mix the basic solution with China rose indicator, it turns green in color. Magic? Excited to know more about it? Come along with me. Now it's another activity time. Hashtag activity time, but this time with chemicals. You could be seeing the skull over there. वहाँ पे आप वो डेंजर साइन देख रहे हैं. क्यों? मैंने कल बताया था जैसे हर चीज़ टेस्ट करने के लिए नहीं होती है, उसी तरह हर केमिकल को बहुत ध्यान से इस्तेमाल और संभाल के इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि छोटी से छोटी गलती बहुत बड़े डेंजर को न्योता दे सकती है. इसलिए आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है जब आप केमिकल्स के साथ डील करें. सो व्हाट आर द केमिकल्स दैट यू वांट हियर इज हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. All these chemicals would be generally available in your school laboratory. It's just for the activity and fun purpose in order to distinguish between the usage of litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose solution. So, what is this activity all about? What you have to do is, you have to take little bit of solutions of all these and dip it first with the litmus papers, next with the turmeric papers, and along the next activity would be determining with China rose solution. Excited to do so? Let's go on and observe what we found out. It's the hashtag observation time. So we found that, as the name suggests, hydrochloric acid turned blue litmus to red, right? And what was the effect of turmeric paper? There was no change because it is acidic in nature. Effect of China rose solution, it turned the hydrochloric acid solution dark pink in color. This means hydrochloric acid is a perfect acid. Similarly, sulfuric acid and nitric acid also shows the same properties, like they turned blue litmus red into color, they had no effect of turmeric paper, and they turned China rose solution when poured into these acids turned the acids dark pink in color. Moving on, what about the bases? Yesterday I gave you extra knowledge that hydroxides are all bases, because hydroxides are generally written after the element name, which makes them like sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, making them bases. So what happens over here is, sodium hydroxide, red litmus paper, turns blue in color, whereas turmeric paper turns red and China rose solution turns green. The similar observation is obtained with solutions of ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. The inference that can be drawn from here is that hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acids, these are all strong acids, whereas sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide are basic in nature. So, what is the practical relevance of all these things? The practical relevance of all these things is that, starting from the food you eat to the clothes you wear, everywhere there are chemicals involved, natural as well as artificial. Natural indicators are widely used in separating chemicals from each other. Confused a bit? I would like to give you just little examples. As you will go ahead in your further classes, you will be studying about determining pH of solutions. You will be learning about separating solutions from each other. You will be learning about buffer solutions. When you will learn these things, Ultimately, you will recall about the indicators that you studied right over here. So, there is a have you ever thought question with which I will leave you with this topic. So, the thing that I want you to just think over is when you wear a white cloth और किसी पार्टी में गए, अगर सपोज वो वाइट क्लॉथ पे सब्जी गिर गई तो घर आके मम्मी की डांट तो सुननी पड़ती है, माना जब मम्मी उसको धोती है तो क्या होता है कि वो जो सब्जी होती है ना, उसका जो कलर उस कपड़े पे रहता है वो हो जाता है ब्राउन। ऑब्जर्व किए हो कभी? नहीं किए हो तो पक्का करना, कोई कपड़ा लेके करके देखना, थोड़ी सी डांट पड़ेगी। तो क्या होता है, क्यों होता है? अभी पता है आपको क्यों होता है। सब्जी जो गिरी उसमें थी हल्दी, जब उसका सोप सोल्यूशन के साथ इंटरेक्शन हुआ तब क्या हुआ, इफेक्ट ऑफ टर्मरिक ऑन सोप सोल्यूशन, मतलब टर्मरिक ऑन बेसिक सोल्यूशन, इट टर्न्स yes reddish brown. Absolutely right. Now you know why this phenomena takes place. So with this I would like to say you lots and lots of thank you. Stay tuned, I will be back with another video. Thank you so much.